Meaning of Dear Abby.
Dear Abby.
Dear Abby.
Dear Abby.
Dear Abby. Dear Abby refers to a popular advice column that has been running since 1956. The column was created by Pauline Phillips, who wrote under the pen name Abigail Van Buren. The column offers advice on a variety of topics, such as relationships, family problems, and etiquette. The name Dear Abby became synonymous with the column and is now used to refer to any similar advice column. Dear Abby has become an influential part of American culture, and its advice has helped countless people navigate difficult situations over the years.